Hello students, question is from DSA. Fine, so the question is given the input following input, so one array of inputs has been given and the hash function x mod 10 has been given. So we have to find out, they're given four statements, and accordingly to that which and all statements are true. Okay, so we have to find out this. Fine, so the array which has been given for inputting the value is 4 3 2 2 1 3 3 4 1 4 7 1 9 6 7 9 1 9 8 9 6 1 7 1 6 1 7 3. Okay, so 4 1 9 9. I didn't left any value. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so now this is the array and we have to and the hash function which is given as x mod 10, right? So we have to make a hash table for that. Okay, so you know that the mod is 10, so totally how many from 0 to 9 it will vary, right? So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So this is the hash table. Okay, and the value of the hash function is given as x mod 10. Okay, so x first value is what? 4322, right? So x is 4322. So 4322 modulus 10 will be what? 2. So it will be hashed to this position, right? Similarly, when is x is 1334, fine, so it modulus of 10 when you will take, it will come as 4. So this will be hashed to this location. When x is 1471 and you will take modulus of 10, value will be 1. So this will come here 1471. Now when x is 19679, take modulus of 10, value will be 9. So this value will come here. Okay, fine. Now again the value of x is 1989. Again the value, so here collision is there, so it will be here only. Fine. Now x is 6171. So modulus of 10 will be what? Will be 1. So this will be hashed here 6171. Okay, and then x value is 6173. Modulus of 10, it will give 3, so it will come 6173 here. Fine. So now x value is 4199. So modulus of 10 will be 9. So again this will be added up here. So we saw that the two collisions are there, one at the index value 1 and one at the index number 9. So 9, so 9679 1989 4199 are hashed at same location, at same index value, right? And similarly 1471 and 6171 are hashed at same index value, that is 1. Okay, so there are two collisions. So the statement 1 and 2 are correct, but third is telling all element has to the same value. No, it's not correct. Each element has to different value. This is also not correct because two of the we are seeing collision at index value 1 and 9. Therefore 1 and 2 is correct. So answer will be C. Okay, thank you.